So guys, welcome to another video. Quick one. What I am looking for the coming week. So this is what we have. Remember, there was an analysis I made that spotted this. I don't know if I've posted it or not, or maybe it will be upcoming because I realized I made a lot of content I did not post. So I decided to start posting them. So just anticipate them. So for this coming week, this I've already done my analysis, but let me still do it for the sake of you guys, right? So we are looking at the excuse me, we are looking at the weekly time frame. You see what price has been doing, and it made a major retracement here. So we still have here as our protected low, right? Price did not mitigate it. I mean, it did not liquidate it, and we closed above. It might continue going down, it might continue going up, but we just follow price here. So down to daily time frame, what are we going to see here? So we see the markup here. We have this zone here. This is a zone, right? This is a zone right here, but we have a demand zone here. I don't know why I keep mixing supply and demand. This is a demand zone here, and as we can see, price is rejecting from here, showing some sign of weakness here. So we expect other highs. I'm not predicting, just follow price. So for now, what I'm marking is what you first saw on this chart when I first got here. So this is my last swing. So I'm in this range. This is the range I'm in, and I expect it to go high since it has not taken this low. So I expect it to take this high. That's what I'm expecting, but until price says otherwise, right? So I'll come to my 3 hours and see, okay, what is happening here? What did we see? This low brought this high. It got liquidated by this one, and this one brought failed, and we expect this one to be taken, but it did not, and now it's causing a down move. What is my down move? This is my down move here, right? So this is my down move. So I'm going to be waiting. I'm marking all these things because it might be for New York session on Monday. This might be the zone I'm going to use, or maybe this one, because what I'm going to mark on the 15 minutes, like here at Asian session, I think it will play out, but this is what I'm looking out for. So let's see what price has been doing. As you can see, this is a high, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, this is a low, which got broken here. This is a high, and this breaks, right? This is liquidity. It might grab this and continue down. I don't want to mix the concept. I just want it as simple as possible. That's why I'm marking this. I don't want to start following price and predicting price. No, whatever price does here will determine what I'm going to do next. That's how I trade, right? So this is just what I have. Should price break here, I would use here to go to this zone to see what it's going to do. But if it doesn't, so you see I'm reacting. Let's say it made a double bottom and comes and breaks here. What I'm going to do is look for an entry down to the down zone here. So it's as simple as that. Break and retest, you can call it that. But in cases like this, that price has already done it what it wants to do, I have this zone for price to go short. And if you notice from this time frame, we don't know what price is doing, but I expect price to continue moving up, not down. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but let me mark it out for you. Oh, not up actually, maybe down. Important candle, liquidation, break. Yeah, up. I expect it to move upwards to this place. but it might decide to mitigate this one, or better still, break this one, comes and go. I'm predicting now. I don't predict. If you know me well, I don't predict. I only react. So let me mark the zones clearly. I just want to do it fast so that I'll go and attend to other things. So you see, this is the range. So should price break here, I expect maybe the mitigation of this, then to this place. So whatever price does, I expect it in the 3 hours and the higher time frames, we are targeting up, right? But if you come to 15 minutes now, if you come to 15 minutes, you can see this. Many people will see this as a change of character. That's why the higher time frame perspective is best. Higher time frame perspective is best. So as you can see, this is showing that it breaks and it wants to do, and price can easily toy with you within this place. And since I have seen it in the higher time frame, I know we are targeting the higher time frame. Should it break here, whatever it does, just know that this is your target. And whatsoever time frame or strategy you are using, right? Just know we are looking for highs, new highs. As it that's failed to break this, unless price says I don't want to go high. But just follow it now for now, because we have, even if it doesn't want to make another high, right? We have a lot of zones here and imbalances. So price might want to correct because this is an impulse. You know how price moves, right? Impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. So many people knows it as what do they call it? Expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion. So however you call it, it's still the same thing. So this is what we have. I don't want to mark for 15 minutes because that's what I look out. When I come to trade, I'll just look at the last one. Since I already know the direction now, I'll just look at the last one, then go to 1 minute and find my entry. Targets the targets. So onto the next one. I'll see you on another one. Bye guys. Peace.